face in Telugu industry. Yes, you're right, we have Diksha Seth with us. She started off with Femina Miss India 2009 and she was one of the finalists there. She made a debut in Telugu movies in the year 2010 with Vedam opposite Allu Arjun. Till date, she's done 7 movies across Telugu and Tamil. So let's see what she's shooting for us in our calendar segment. How are you doing, Diksha?
I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
Good, very well, thank you. So, how do you like the whole concept of CCL?
I think the concept's absolutely brilliant, because cricket is huge in India, entertainment's huge in India. You mix them together, you have this, deadly cocktail which you're, in for. So
I call it cricketainment. What do you feel about this word?
I think that's a nice one. So I think just the mix of them, I think it's brilliant,
Right.
And more than that, CCL especially, getting a lot of industries together, whether it's Bollywood, Tollywood, Collywood, like they're in,
Everything.
All the industries come together.
Right.
So all of us do the same work, the profile, the portfolios are the same. So it's nice, you get to interact with different people and you get to meet them and you get to enjoy some cricket, have some fun, a little competition. So I think the entire mix is extremely good.
That's nice. So, have you ever thought of dating a cricketer ever?
No, not really.
Come on, you must have. You should, of course. You should have a crush on some cricketer. We all do.
I think Sachin Tendulkar is awesome and he's married. And so that's like, oh my god, okay. And but yeah, there are like a lot of youngsters, who are coming up. Virat Kohli.
Okay.
Did really well in the World Cup.
Right.
Really, really well.
Right.
Very impressive. Suddenly, you see this guy and he's there at the World Cup.
Right.
I was just like, oh my god. And obviously, when India won, it was a different feeling, and he was a part of that. So yeah, I think he's really promising as a cricketer. So.
So, how was it shooting today for the calendar shoot?
It was brilliant. We were shooting with Venkat, and whatever photo shoots I've ever done, nearly 80 to 90% of them have been with Venkat.
Really?
From my first photo shoot when, I was a complete amateur to today. He knows the way I react and he knows exactly how to, condition me to a situation. So working with him is brilliant. It's an amazing experience.
So, good luck for your second shoot. You've done with the first.
Yes, thank you.
So, looking forward to the second.
Thank you. You're looking very pretty.
Thank you.
And, all the men are going to be watching this because of her.
Really?
So, yes.
Thank you, Diksha. Great having you
Pleasure.
here.
Thank you.